Howdy. This is Dr. Astronomy. This is Brian K. Bass Sr.'s Homeless Astronomy. This here is going to be episode 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that we're going to be filming. And again, this is beginning astronomy. I think tonight we're going to take it up a step and look at some that are a little harder to find, but some you can still see with the naked eye. So we'll find 6 that I'm pretty sure you can locate. Do you know where your telescope is? Remember, telescopes come in all shapes and all sizes. Anyone will do. So find your telescope and let's go. Okay, well, let's get started. We're going to get started off here in the east, where we used to get started off with Arcturus. Tonight we're going to get started off right next to it with the star Mufrid. And that's going to be at about 93 degrees in the east. It's a red star. Check it out. We're going to take a look at it first here in infrared and then the telescope. Okay, there we have Arcturus. And just up from it, about 90 degrees, is Mufrid in the infrared. And there we go. First up, 93 degrees in the east, the star Mufrid through the telescope. All right, now we'll move up to about 55 degrees in the northeast, go up to where we were at Arcturus and Mufrid, and go to the north a little bit, and that bright star at the very handle of Ursa Major is Alkaid, blue star. And there at the handle of Ursa Major, just to the north a bit from Arcturus, we have Alkaid, the blue star. And not in infrared. We can actually see it in HD. It's pretty clear tonight. So there you go, friends and neighbors. Alkaid. And at the handle of Ursa Major, Alkaid, the blue star, through the telescope. Okay, now we're going to swing over here to the northwest, look for Capella, and go up from Capella, 340 degrees in the northwest. Okay, friends and neighbors, 340 degrees in the northwest. The one on the right, Menkalinen. And I'll show you, it's just up from Capella. 340 degrees northwest through the telescope, the star Menkalinen, folks. Now, move out west, about 250 degrees, you'll find the yellow star Procyon. 250 degrees in the west, in HD, the yellow star Procyon. And out west at about 250 degrees, we got the star Procyon through the telescope. One more. Let's move over to 80 degrees in the east-northeast. Go back to where we were at Arcturus. Go down just a little bit, and you'll see that star just down into the north from it. 80 degrees. E Bootis. At 80 degrees in the east, northeast, we have E Bootis through the telescope. There's Polaris at 0 degrees, because you should always remember that Polaris is at 0 degrees. Everything revolves around Polaris. So if you know where Polaris is, you can always find your way. Okay, well, that's it for me, y'all. I got places to go and things to do. I'm gonna woo my wife in the ways of astronomy to celebrate episode 5, hence the fancy duds. She's waiting for me in the boudoir. So I hope you enjoyed this episode. Thank you very much for watching, and just remember to be yourself.